Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll just cover like query format function. What is the query format function? In the previous video, already I have covered select, where, all these things. If you didn't watch this video, please go back to my query series and watch out that. This is very much important to understand, and I have covered in this very deeply. Okay, so now I am going to be cover the format function. Thus this is the one you can see over here. Like if you have any data, you can convert to anything of like this in the format. Like this is the dd mean like day function. And if it should be in the sorry, date format, then only it will work. For an example, this is my data. Now I want to convert to another like type of the data. For an example, this is my query. I'll just select my data first. Now select everything. I don't want to escape anything. I want to select everything. But I want to put here format A, like it is, you can see over here, like is the mmddyyyy. In this format it is available, but I want to take it into the ddmm in this format. Now you can see this also, it will come in that format. Now ddmmyy. Okay, for an example, I want to cover up any other format also, something like this. Also it will work. Also it will work. You can take any kind of the data. It's not mandatory that you need to take in this data only. This plus one. Now you can see it is the two. If you do the plus one also, it will work. Thursday, now it is showing Thursday 3rd 2019. Also it will work with the arithmetic because it is not in the text. If you normally, what we do, if you put the text function, it will take into the text format. It want to be more into the date format, either number format. So for that time, whenever we are putting the any calculation, it may come the error. But in this it won't come the error. Now you can see plus one mean it will come the Thursday like this. Now you see here it is working perfectly fine. So that is the how format works. But if I want to be check out this G and H, like comma G, I want to take into 0.00. Now you see, however you want, you can convert into like that. Okay, but if you want to take into any text apart from that, I have given in the example like this only you can take. If you want to take like this, you can take, but you cannot add into it any text. You cannot add into this any text. Like this is 0.00, 0.000, and or any more. Even though 0.0 also you can type. So this is the how format function work. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please share it to your friends and please subscribe to my channel if you have not still subscribed. I am going to be like trained into the how to be apply the like as a MIS executive, as a DME, how to apply the formula. Thank you so much.